Taking the mentality, using the physicality to develop the growth of the spirituality. Through nature, the creator, creature, the maker. Remain visible, the truth educating the youth to be fruitful in the vegetative mind. Staying rooted in the vine, artificial to beneficial. We let the light shine. Garden of Eden. It's the Garden of Eden. It's the Garden of Eden. It's the Garden of Eden. 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 Yeah. Garden Eden.
What's growing on, my beautiful treeple? My name is Chris Nuno and we're here checking out my garden. I currently live here in South Central Los Angeles, so I invite you to join me every berry as we venture off and take a plant venture, and we discover and educate you and share with you my journey through health and gardening. I started my own garden in the fall of 2016. I started with just one broccoli plant, and at that time I wanted to do research because I really wanted to invest in my future, and one of the main things that was important to me is self-sustainability. So right now I'm growing different vegetables. Sugar snap peas is definitely one of my favorites. I'm using different things to make a salad, so I have different varieties of lettuce and arugula. December 2015, I had a health crisis. I had gotten high blood pressure. I had severe nosebleeds. Going into the new year of 2016, I really want to change my life for the better. So I started doing research, and then I started a 90-day detox, parasite cleanse, kidney, liver, colon. I did my own colonics at home. The first thing I noticed after I did my detox and then got into gardening was the high amount of energy that I had. And gardening, I feel, really changed my life because what's better than growing your own garden? Everything is fresh. Once you harvest and pick vegetables within 10 minutes, you lose 80% of the enzymes. So the fact that I go in my backyard and I pick something and eat it right there, I'm getting all the nutrients. Some of the things I do to upkeep my garden. So for one, you definitely want to bring in the beneficial insects, and in order to do that you need great soil so that your plants can grow and thrive and get flowers, great vegetation, pollination from the bees. Even though they call them pests, they can be beneficial. Now if you have bugs, like for example aphids, then that means that your plants are not healthy. That could be a dehydration issue. So that means once you water your plant, the aphids will go away. Beneficial insects come in and allow your garden to thrive. You have to have a good foundation from your soil. So adding things like rock dust, which are the trace minerals, worm castings, biochar, coconut coir to add moisture retention, and also compost. I use a compost tumbler so I can mix in the nitrogen, which is the food waste, food scraps, wood chips and leaves, which is your carbon, and then adding water, and then of course spinning it, which adds oxygen, so that I can add my own mixture of compost, and over time that decomposes into organic rich matter. So one thing that I'm really excited to be working on is helping my elementary school, which I graduated from, Transfiguration Catholic Elementary School, located in Leimert Park, South Central Los Angeles. I'm working on starting a health and nutrition club there. I really want to teach the kids about nature, going back to the garden, which was really the first job, and where do vegetables come from? Where do fruits, where do all of these plants come from? Educating them on the importance of going back to nature and eating organic whole foods. I really encourage everyone to take from this better health, self-sustainability, decreased food bill, learning the knowledge and wisdom of growing, not just in your garden in nature, but with your health, encouraging in every way possible to grow big and grow home.